welcome to another video, and to a video that I'm calling a weekly vlog. The only thing is, it's starting on a Friday, so we should refer to this as a bank holiday weekend vlog. I'm currently on my way to work, and this is my last day in work this week. I don't normally get Saturdays off, so this is why I'm doing this video. So I find out I've got Saturday off, and I'm going to vlog you through the weekend, take you around with me and what we get up to. So when I found out I had this Saturday off, we actually spent a long time, last night in particular, phoning around all these different places trying to find somewhere where we can go. I think I phoned around 10 campsites yesterday, just trying to find somewhere where we can go, but every place is fully booked. I mean, I can't grumble, it's bank holiday weekend and I'm trying to book a night away the day before, which isn't the best thing to do. So I just arrived at work now. Hopefully it's not a bad day, and hopefully it's not too long of a day because it is Friday. I don't want to be stuck in traffic on the way home, but I'll see you after work. We've skipped ahead 9 hours and I can officially say I am done for the weekend, and I cannot wait. So as per, driving home on a Friday, we've hit traffic, which is bank holiday traffic, so it's even worse. So what I'll do is I'll put the camera down and I'll see you when I get home. Right, so that's me back home. I've had a quick change and I will off back out because we're actually off to go and view a nursery for Gracie. So let's go have a look at it. So fast forward a few hours and I'm back at home now. We went to see the nursery, and yeah, it is really good. It's just sort of, we're gonna have to look through and try and sort out our finances to see how we can afford it. But Steph's currently not here. She's out because she's going out tonight. She's off to go and get ready. And I'm sat at home alone, so it's a night with me and Gracie. So right now it's time for her tea time. So it's later on in the night, Steph's out, and this one is way past her bedtime. She should be asleep. But she's not. Let's see how long she goes on like this for. So that's Gracie in bed. I'm going to end the day here. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning and welcome to a very sunny Saturday. We're currently on our way to Frankie and Benny's. The time is 11:26 and we've got 35 minutes until we can get there for breakfast. So skip forward a few hours, and what we've done, we've been to Frankie and Benny's. We didn't film too much in there because it was busy and there's a lot of people sat around us eating the breakfast, so don't want to disturb them doing that. But what we have done is we've come over to Bolton Food and Drink Festival. Now it is dinner time, so it is very, very busy. So right now what we're actually doing is we're in, if you can see, the Bolton Museum, which for a free museum is very impressive. So we'll kill some time in here and then we'll head out to the stalls.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. You OPN now. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up.
So we've just got home now, and I know I didn't get too much footage of the food and drink festival down in the town centre, but it was very busy and didn't feel too comfortable getting the camera out in the really big crowd, so I did leave it away. But what we ended up actually doing is meeting some family and friends and going to one of the drink tents that they've got going there. I think it was run by Aldi or something, so you could drink their drinks. And by the time we got out of there, it was 6 o'clock, and we were walking down past where all the main food was, and we thought we'd be able to pick some food up from there, but everybody was shut, and it was only 6 o'clock, so we were a bit surprised at that. So on the way back to the car, we actually headed into a tapas restaurant, and we got some food from in there, which was good. We drove home. I've just took the dog out for a bit of a walk, insert clip here, and then now we're just going to sit and chill. So we're up early tomorrow because we have got plans for tomorrow, so we're up and out early tomorrow morning. So what I'll do is I'll sign off for now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Right guys, welcome to Sunday, and we have come to Rhyl. It took us a long time to get over here because we were actually stuck in the traffic. It said about an hour and a half. It took us 2 and a bit. But yeah, we've come over here because today there's the Rhyl air show on. So a bit of a weather change. We've come to see an air show. And half an hour ago it was blue skies and you could see for miles. Now we can't even see the sea. I don't know how low these planes are going to have to go for us to see them, but you can see the fog has rolled in. That's really strange. Right, so the air show should be starting now, but the fog hasn't gone anywhere. So I don't know how long we're going to have to wait, so it looks like we're just going to go keep wandering around, finding things to do.
Open up, you OPN, bitch you won't BBM, we should be closer than friends, if you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda, request my chariot to get ya.
Nope.
Getting closer though.
You're never going to win that.
See if you can do any better. It's messed us up now.
Oh, it got stuck on its neck.
We've got another pound. Do you want to use it on this one or something else? Last pound. Come on. Oh, it's not even grabbing it anymore. £4, didn't win. Give them one sparkling.
Oh.
So quick update on the air show. It has been delayed and we have not got a time for when it's going to start. The fog's still here, so what we decided to do is go and grab some food, and we've actually discovered a Thai street food trailer, so we've had some stuff from there. I've gone for the chicken pad thai with chilli, which looks really good, and Steph had Thai green curry, which was very, very tasty. All came in a little trailer over there called Thai street food. We've got blue skies. Still not clear, but we can definitely see the sea now. Oh, would have focused.
one of the stories of the Rhyl. Fortunately, Her Majesty's government pick up the field goal.
Hello and welcome to Monday. We are here at... Oh, getting attacked by flies. We are here at Thornton Hall Country Park. And what you might be able to see behind me is that they've got a big machines event on it. So they've got all sorts of tractors, diggers, farm equipment, you name it, it's here. So we've come over here for the day. Here they've got llamas, calves, chickens, horses, donkeys, and all these you can pet and you can feed. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab some feed and we're going to go feed the animals. Absolutely stinks in here. Why don't you try and feed it? Well, can you not feed these? Yeah. Listen, if you want to stick your hand near the mouth, then you can go for it. See, let's go and feed the little ones on the bottom. Look a little bit less ferocious. Ew. You can have some. Oh well, I was going to give some of the... What you greedy gets. It's little lads. If you see someone in his car, so let me stroke it. Why don't you bite me hand now? Come here. Hello. Unit. Oh, flies in here are awful. Right, maze. Oh, it's not the biggest space in the world to take a pram. Maybe it wasn't. Oh, just about. Maybe it wasn't the greatest idea. Caterpillar ride, or as I call it, barrels with wheels. Right guys, we just got back in the car now. We finished up at the farm. Yes, it was alright, but there was a lot more things for kids to do than there was for us to do. It cost us £6.50 each to get in, which is reasonable, but we didn't spend enough time in there, I don't think. What we're going to do now, we're going to head over to Skipton because it's only 6 miles down the road. We've read that there's a castle in there that we're going to have a look at, so we're going to head over that way, and I'll see you when I get there. We actually recording here now.
Oh, I thought you was going to take a picture.
No, we're recording. Hi guys and welcome to Skipton. So we must have picked a good day to come because there seems to be some sort of market all the way up and down the main street. So we're going to have a wander down there, but you can see it does look very, very busy. So it reminds me of?
A train station.
No, it reminds me of the queue in Florida for Harry Potter. In the greenhouses. Oh, the sweet shop looks huge as well. Yeah, and just we'll have a look in here and then we'll go upstairs. We got proper Fanta grape here.
Yeah.
And also that. Oh, it's unbelievable. Definitely America's got better candy than England. Oh yeah. Runts, they're good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, so you could say that Skipton was a bit of a bust. We come down because we knew the castle was here and we were going to have a wander around there, but we walked up to it and it's £8.50 each to get in. And we weren't paying that because we'd probably only be in there 15 minutes. So what we're going to do, jump back in the car and we're going to drive back home, but stopping off at a place called Pendle. So we'll go there. So this place really isn't what I thought it would be. It's just a big mill full of wool, clothes and crap. I do like that though. Yeah. See, now this I can agree with. I can agree with all this.
Yeah, then
it's just the rest of the place isn't what I expected it to be.
no.
I mean, I ain't gonna wear that. Or you won't even wear that. Yeah, it's I think it's definitely aimed at a different generation. So to make sure this stop off wasn't a complete waste of time, we've come to the tea room and they've got some cake and some drinks. I've gone for the Clements. Is that just orange?
Clements, yeah.
So orange cake. And you've gone for what? The chocolate and vanilla. Ooh, didn't know it was two-tone. And back to the car we go. So we're back at home now after a long day. We've been all over. We started off this morning actually by going to my mum's because it was her birthday. And then we drove over to a place close to Skipton because they had a big machines event on a small farm. That was quite good. And then after that we drove into Skipton to hopefully go and look at the castle. But it was far too expensive to go in and I wasn't paying them prices. So we left there and then we went over to a place called Pendle Mill. Now this is a shop that I initially thought was going to be a bit like Botany Bay, if you've ever been to Botany Bay. Turns out it wasn't. Turns out it wasn't really the type of shop that we would normally go to. So we got in there, had some cake, which was okay, and then we drove back home. So the time is 7:15 and we're just waiting for our food to be delivered. So I'm going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a new video for me to make and I am definitely going to be making some more of them. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I make them and like this video. So I'll see you next time.